Storefront Subframe was created to solve one of the most frustrating problems in commercial construction today, which is schedule conflicts and project delays. We needed to develop a solution that would give contractors the flexibility to control their own schedules instead of being controlled by the door and hardware lead times. The subframe enables a phased installation approach that keeps the project moving forward regardless of these external delays. The subframe creates a temporary opening that serves as a placeholder during the construction process. Think of it as a sophisticated temporary solution that allows contractors to install their storefront framing and sidelight glass early in the construction sequence, before the final doors and hardware arrive. The key innovation is that it creates a structurally complete opening that can be secured with either temporary doors or even a plywood covering, while maintaining the integrity of the building envelope. This means that contractors can get their certificate of occupancy much earlier in the construction process, while maintaining complete flexibility for when the final entrance components get installed. But beyond scheduling, there are real quality control and cost benefits too. By installing temporary protection during construction, the final doors are protected from the inevitable damage that occurs during the construction process. Things like paint overspray, scratches from other trades, or damage from construction equipment. This protection can save thousands of dollars in door replacement or refinishing costs. Visit our website at Kawneer.com to learn more.